The truth is, mothers are superheroes. I swear to God. Mothers are superheroes and should be cherished. Once you see somebody who has given birth, the husband should cherish that person, because women go through a lot during and after childbirth. So I saw a video on TikTok where the lady was just like crying that since she gave birth, she has not been able to stand, that she can't stand for more than 30 minutes. She cannot stand for more than 30 minutes. If she's standing for more than 30 minutes, she cannot bear the pain. Now, I saw some men in the comment section saying, so are you saying men are not doing any work? See, if you see a man who says that, it tells you what the wife is going through. Most men, it makes you sound ungrateful when you come to someone's comment section who is saying she's going through a lot due to childbirth. You now come and say, what of the men? Are we finding it funny too? Don't you know for a man to go outside and bring food? No. Such a man, you can only feel pity for his wife. Now, see what these women, I now went through the comment section, see what women were saying. This one said, so before you know, they will ask you, what do you bring to the table? Which is true. You see a woman that is going through a lot, and the next thing you're telling her, what do you bring to the table? This one said, I am still struggling with memory loss. This is very, very true. You say, I am still struggling with memory loss. Some women, after giving birth, they will have to start writing everything they want to do. If not, you just to go and say, oh, I want to go and bring something from the bathroom. You will get to the bathroom, you'll be looking, you have forgotten what took you to the bathroom. This is 100% true. Now, some women are battling. So say since 2022, I have been battling with pile. She has been battling with pile after having a baby. He said, I regret giving birth. I regret giving birth. That is one. Another person says, I'm not having babies again. My first twin is enough. I am afraid for my mental health. Fact is, a lot of women are having psychological issues. Some of them are battling with depression after giving birth, and most people don't know. Even their husbands do not know. Their husbands do not know. This one say, thank God you are alive. My sister get belle. Na so hard, na so drama. This one says, I've been suffering from hemorrhoid and back pain for 3 years. This is just my first child. The thought of getting pregnant again scares me. Back pain. Most women suffer from back pain because the weight, when this pregnancy comes, it changes the posture. I am still struggling to regain my posture, because if you see me with pregnancy, my dear, there was a time I was coming from the hospital, a military vehicle that was passing, they saw me the way I stood trying to cross. Sometimes I will stand like 10 minutes, 15 minutes trying to cross the road. The military vehicle parked. 2 of the soldiers came down and helped me cross. I'm telling you, the military vehicle parked and helped me cross, because if you see my pregnancy, you will, sometimes the doctor will tell you, madam, don't tell me it's just one child that is inside there, and but I don't know why. So this pregnancy will be so big, it will change your posture. As the pregnancy is in front, you don't know when your back is bending. Your back now has bent because of the posture of the pregnancy. Women are going through a lot. Let's continue. This one say, I have 4 kids. But since I had my last child through CS, I hardly remember anything. I am battling with depression. Do you see that? This one say, I have been suffering. Okay, I've read that one. Then this other person say, since I gave birth, I developed back pain, back and neck pain. I forget things easily. My wrist hurts. And my baby, that's her husband, is saying she is lazy, that it is laziness. But let's not even talk about the husband, because if we won't talk about the husband, I was supposed to call and say the man no get sense. But anyways, let's forget about that. This one say, I am overweight. My body changed. The body changed. If you go and look at my picture, I told you guys I was less than size 8. I think I was a size 6. I be size what? Say. When you see my picture, when I posted my university picture, that was my final year. And I got married immediately after graduation. That was my final year picture. If you go and look at that picture, you see how slim I was. People will be like, waiting. I was so slim. My wedding ring was size 7, Abi. Very small. Now I am wearing, is it 14, Abi 16? So you see the weight. Not everybody is able to handle that. That your body changes. Your stomach might not be able to return to the way it was before. And then some husbands will go as far as helping their wives, taking care of their wives to go to the gym and all of that. Some will still be abusing the woman in the house. Let's continue. This one says, God, at the age of 21, I am having such back pain. So many insecurities. I have stretch mark on my tummy and my back and the back of my leg. Back pain, waist pain. I never had a chance to enjoy my youthful self. See, you don't regret now say she married early. at the age of 21. She's already regretting. At the end of the day, this can actually turn out to be the prepare. She can now start feeling so bad, especially if she's married to somebody who is not sensible. So as a man, if somebody needs to tell you to value your wife, you need to go and check yourself. Because when you now start comparing, you think say easy, me if I go bring food. Women are not lazy. Some women are the ones who work in the farm. Some women are the ones who even feed their home. Some women are the ones who assist their husbands financially. But this case of childbirth is not what you can determine by yourself. There are some people who are diabetic today just by giving birth. They have no history of diabetes. They have no nothing. But because they got pregnant, they develop pregnancy-induced hypertension. That hypertension, they know sometimes after giving birth, it will reverse. Sometimes it becomes natural. It will just stay with them. They start taking BP medicine. And then husband will ask them, what did they worry you? Now only you first born. Now only you first this. In fact, may God, so say memory loss, back pain, or more motherhood is not easy. So say me way never born. I cannot stand. Say I think women should be the one who decide the number of children they give birth to. Honestly, I'm scared. I'm scared of childbirth. Even with selective CS, 2 is enough. And then some people, their wives will want it. The doctor will tell them, go and your wife will have a CS. You will ask, why will the wife have CS? Can't she push the baby? Did your mother not push the baby? Your sister push the baby? Your grandmother push the baby? Man. So since I got pregnant, I forget things easily. My baby is 7 months now. I haven't recovered. This is very, very true, and it happens. So struggling. My own is after having my second child. I added so much. I feel angry at myself because I have tried losing weight, but it's not working. Please, someone should help me because it's giving me sleepless night. It's giving her sleepless night. Most times it's because the husband is already finding her disgusting. The husband is already looking at her like, oh, your weight is too much. Your weight is, you understand? See, ladies, before you get married, to the single ladies, before you get married, you need to make sure that you are marrying somebody that has sense, that has compassion. Because if you marry somebody that does not have compassion, somebody that does not have sense or does not value you, you are likely going to regret it. Once you are married with these children, you are likely going to regret it.